Good morning, students. Today our topic is a reflection of waves. If suppose a wave is traveling from one medium to another medium, there is a three possibilities are there. One is the transmission, another one will be the reflection, another will be the absorption. These are the three possibilities. So for that I will give the example. If suppose two persons are speaking, so here two persons A and B. If suppose A and B, in between there is no any bound any wall like that, there is no wall in between these two persons. That means, so what he can speak, that will be reached to this person. So this one is called as the here A to B is a transmission. We are transferring that. If suppose in between A and B I will put a wall here, so at that time these sound waves are not reached to the B. Why? Because this is a boundary. In this boundary the sound waves are reflected back. So if suppose you have to take the boundary, it is the boundary. So if suppose a sound wave is coming like this manner, so that will get reflected back. This phenomena you have observed. This is called as the echo effect. So if suppose any mountains at that place you have to speaking, you can listen your voice again. After some time you can listen your voice. So this one is called as the reflection. If suppose here the person is there, so he will take the one string, another one end is fixed, another one will be the in his hand. If suppose he can pluck it, so the wave will be moving like this manner. This is the rigid boundary. If it is the rigid boundary. This is the wave. After t time it will be, after t time sometime it is the after 1 second, after 2 seconds, that is it is the location. And after hitting it is a rigid boundary, then it will be coming back like this. After t time it will be coming like this manner. So what you have to observe at this boundary point, when it is a rigid boundary, the amplitude is here at this point, the amplitude is 0. The amplitude is 0. So if suppose it is a wave going like this manner, after hitting it will coming like this manner. So this one is indicate the progressive wave, and this one is indicates the transmitted reflected wave. This one is the reflector, this red color, and this color indicates the progressive wave, and here this red color indicates the reflected wave. It is a reflected and it is the progressive wave. So at this boundary, what is the amplitude? Amplitude is here 0. Amplitude is 0. So then according to mathematics, if suppose what is the expression for the progressive wave? Y is equal to, it is the yp means progressive wave, a sine kx minus omega t is the progressive wave. And what is the reflect at the boundary? At this boundary the amplitude is equal to 0. At this time, how much, what is the phase difference you have to take in here? Pi is the phase difference you have to take in. Pi is the phase difference at the boundary. So then y reflection equal to a sine kx minus omega t plus pi. So then what is the a sine pi plus theta is nothing but minus a sine kx minus omega t. So then what is the value of y progressive plus y reflective is equal to, here you will get the expression is 0 at the boundary. So at the rigid boundary the reflected wave is it is the part, it is the progressive wave part. So at the then the resultant wave, it is according to the superposition principle, y progressive plus y reflective. So here at this point we are getting the 0 amplitude. when it is the open boundary, when it is the open boundary, the phase is equal to 0. So you have to remember 2 points. One is the rigid boundary, another one will be the open boundary. So at rigid boundary, the phase difference is here pi. At open boundary, the phase difference is equal to 0. So yp is equal to a sine kx minus omega t, and a reflected wave is equal to again a sine kx minus omega t plus 0. So why? Because there is no phase difference. So then what is the total? Y is equal to here 2a sine kx minus omega t. 2a sine kx minus omega t. It is for the, in the case of open boundary, it is in the case of the rigid boundary. You have to remember these expressions, open boundary and closed boundary.